Hey guys, third day of August 2024. I'm down in the Trinity Lone Oak Cemetery in Egan. And it's a nice day for filming some cemetery here. You can tell it's a pretty big church. Right off of 52 here. First one here. Vietnam vet. Died August 14, 2022. So, there's a lot of old ones here. Marvin and he 1930 he was, and she was 37. She's born August 13th. She's still alive. Peggy L. Frankie. She's still alive. He died in 2007. She died very young. 1984, 2006. Mom and Dad are still alive. They're my age. That's too bad. Very young. August 15th. Big one. Got a couple ones down here. World War II. Vet. Richard. Family plot here, it looks like. Bradley's still alive. I can't pronounce that. For with the Lord. He went 2000 on Valentine's Day. She went like before her birthday. Nice one here. She's still alive. He passed 2015, married June 1st. Anderson. You have a basic plaque right there. And 7. I think of August 1st every single year. Gentleman played for the Minnesota Vikings. Corey Springer died on August 1st in the heat. I think maybe August 1st is also the day the bridge came down over the old Mighty Mo. And also 30 days after the summer state fair is coming up. She went first March. No, he went first in 1997, and she went in March. United. Our son, brother, fiance. So it looks like 20 years old. Andrew James. (1988, 2017). Pretty cool. I've always wanted to come over and look. It's a nice big Lutheran church. There's a Baptist church I'd love to buy up in Glencoe. About $200,000 for it. Make it into a recording studio. Call it Church Records. Out in the shade over here, 1981. Got some older ones over here. This one's right. You can't tell how that one is, but this one is like 1857, 1886. Shame you really can't see these. This one flipped over. So you got some old ones here. (1885, 1907, 1891, 1892. (1915). Got some older ones over here, you can tell. Pagel. 1910, 1968. See a lot of old ones over here. You can tell, real old. Oops. Mighty Fortress is our God. Sun, 1947, 60 went first. 2003, 1982. Young. That's a nice one. August 23rd, August 4th. They both died in August. 1893. Simple one. Some of those ones in 2022 in New Orleans are huge. Herman, 1996. She went 2000. Kind of tell it's a lot of old ones we'll get over there. Joan went in 1966. In 1994. Year we got married. (1942), 2021. Interesting, these old graves. Went 1993. She went first, and then he went second. So maybe they were in a funeral home together or something. Who knows? It happens a lot of times. People die of a broken heart. Nice. Lord is my shepherd. '71, 1960. Son, 1927, 2012. So that was mom and dad right there. She went in '83, he went in 1984. It's a beautiful church. It's gorgeous. Another family pot right there. (1871, 1968). Stand a test of time. Emma. Another Pagel. 1988, they're born '89. Good to see it's still around. Like way back. Can't really read that one, but it's too bad. (1917, 1923). Big ass one, huh? Old one right there. Anyways, guys, round one's in the books. Talk to you guys next one.